Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
Channel, my name is Debbie O. If you're new and you haven't seen any of my old videos, do me a quick favor, go down below and smash up the red subscribe button, and while you're there, don't forget to click the bell button so you get notified every single time I post a new video. Guys, today's video is a late one. Tell me why I'm filming a vision board video on the 14th of January. I mean, I guess it's better late than never. Don't judge me. I've always wanted to do my vision board for this year, and I've had sleepless nights because of it. I've been thinking about it. Amber Show, who is another YouTuber, is actually the one that inspired me to go into vision boarding. And when I saw Em post her video about her vision board, I was just like, listen girl, you have motivated me. I am definitely doing this vision board. So thank you girl. If you haven't done your vision board yet, or you're just interested in vision boarding, this is the video for you, because I'm going to be showing you how I do my dramatic and extra vision board. As long as it's January, we are doing these vision boards and nobody can judge us. Yes, you go girl. Motivation. Please ignore me. A vision board is a board duh, where you put all your goals, plans and dreams and aspirations for the year, so you can look at them every day, motivate yourself, inspire yourself to work towards achieving all the things you have put on the board. Vision boards go hand in hand with the law of attraction, which is not magic, but I think a lot of people think that there's a fairy godmother going bippity boppity, you get a vision, you get a vision, we all get a vision. No, that's not how it works, sis. What the law of attraction means is that when you put something into the universe is ready and on hand to deliver everything you want to you if you can work towards it. So if you make a vision board and you just sit down on your ass morning till night, January to December, best believe your vision board is only going to be a vision. Nothing is coming true. But if you make a vision board with real goals, real visions, and you can actually wake up every day, motivate yourself to work towards those visions, the universe will surely deliver it to you. So it basically means that the universe draws similar energies together. I don't know if you get what I mean. I find that vision boards are more helpful when it comes to achieving your goals. I don't open my goal page every day, so I'm not constantly reminded of the goals that I've set. And if I achieve them, I do. If I don't achieve them, well, next year is another year to try again. But I feel like when you have a vision board and it's somewhere like in your room or in your bathroom, somewhere that you go every day, when you look at it every day, you're reminded that, oh, I need to work towards this, I need to work towards that. It actually helps you achieve your goals faster. So this year we're going to be trying vision boarding. Pray for me. There are 4 steps to making your very, very dramatic and extra vision board like mine, and I'm going to take you through the 4 steps. The first step is basically visualization. If you don't have a visualization of what you want your year to look like, what you want your future to look like, what goals you want to achieve, you're not going to be able to have a vision board because there's no vision. So you need a vision for your vision board, and to get your vision, you have to visualize your vision. Okay. In visualization, what I usually do is that I listen to a motivational podcast, or I just meditate. I think about all the things that I have achieved in the past year, all the things I wanted to achieve that I didn't achieve, all the things I didn't even think of achieving in the past year, and I think of what I want in the new year to come, and I sit down and I write them all down in my journal. So I basically start by getting my cozy candle going.
You are going to war with yourself. I am focused. I am focused. Yes, you are. You are focused, and you will not lose sight of that. Not today, not tomorrow, next week, or next year. Repeat after me. Today is my day. No one will get in the way of my dream, of my growth, or
So after the visualization stage, the next stage is the planning stage. And in the planning stage, I actually went online to look for pictures of images that inspired me and pictures that related to my goal. And in this aspect, I ask that you try to be as specific as possible with your goals, because when you see things and you visualize things with your face, with your name, it helps you to actually be more motivated to working to achieving those things. And I searched pictures on Google Images and I put them together in a collage and I saved them. I have all my goals written down on the page. I finished my brainstorming. The next thing I do is to go and get my vision board materials. Now that I'm done getting my vision board materials, they're all in this big bag here. I got this cardboard, and I'm going to be using cardboard because I'm currently in London and I don't live in London, so I need to transport this back to Nigeria with me. So I need something that would be easy to move, and usually people use like a board, foam board or wood, and if I used any of that I wouldn't be able to transport it. I also got scissors, I got a glue stick, I got magazines as well. A lot of people get their pictures from magazines, but as I said, I like to go digital, but I also like to have magazines so that I can cut out anything that inspires me on there. And these are my pictures that I printed. I'm going to start with the magazines, and this is this third stage for me actually, where I pick up all the magazines and try to find the things that actually relate to me, things that I would be happy to see in my vision board. I look through the magazines, find things like that, cut them out and keep them to the side for when I'm ready to execute my vision board, which is step 4 by the way, but let's not rush. I usually have something motivational playing at this time as well, so yeah. Now I'm also done cutting out all the motivational words that I need. This is where we come to the execution stage, and the execution stage is where we're just going to arrange everything on the vision board the way we would want it to be. So I'm going to be sharing some of my goals with you while I try to execute my vision board, which is the 4th step of this project. What I'm basically going to do now is to start placing my pictures, and usually people break up their vision board into sections, which I'm going to do mine as well, but I'm not going to have it too organized in those sections. First thing I'm going to start with is the year, so I think I want to have that in the middle somewhere here. And then next thing I'm going to do is put a picture of my mom, because besides God, my mom is the biggest motivation that I have in this life. So I'm going to be putting a picture of my mom next to the year somewhere here. This woman is the reason why I do whatever it is I do that makes sense in life. So next I'm going to be having my Bible quotes, because as I said, after God, my mom is the person that keeps me going. And this one just says, everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to anger, which is in James 1 verse 19. We know all things work together for good. I think the rest of the verse goes on to say, for those that love the Lord, etc. So yeah, carry on. I'm going to have YouTube. I'm going to have this thing of my channel that I photoshopped with 10k subscribers, because I really want to have 10k subscribers at the end of this year. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go and click the red subscribe button. It is free. Please, it means a lot to me, so I can reach my 10k subscribers. I'm going to have this silhouette of 2 ladies sitting down. This just stands for collaboration, so I want to collaborate a lot more with more YouTubers this year. So as you can see, the 2 women are using their laptops, connotes editing. This also is for YouTube. I really want my YouTube channels to be monetized this year, so I'm going to put this somewhere around here. Please watch my videos, because watch time counts into getting your YouTube channel monetized, so that's what I'm trying to do this year. Oh, I'm going to have this God at work symbol, because God is always at work in my life. This is the devotional I'm currently reading this year. It's called God Hears Her, and I really want to make sure that I read my devotional every day this year because it means a lot to me. Also, this is a picture of a Bible, so I want to really get into reading my Bible as well. Well, a lot more than I read it last year anyways. This is a picture of a coupon code. I want to be an affiliate with a company this year. This is a camera. You know, I want to buy a new camera this year. This year, I actually want to get a job, and I do have something in mind. I hope it comes to pass. I want to study a lot more this year, so I want to read. This picture of Eiffel Tower, I'm going to put it here because I also want to learn French this year. So I really want to go to a French speaking country this year as well. Yeah, so this is just a picture of a girl with her suitcase traveling. As I said, I want to travel this year, and because I want to travel again this year, I have this picture of a Nigerian passport. This year I want to explore my country a lot more. So this is a picture I found on Twitter of the Lekki Ikoyi link bridge. A photographer actually took it. I think his name is Emeka. I tried to find his handle but I couldn't find it. Please, if anybody knows who took this picture, let me know so I can tag him in description box, because I actually saved this picture off of Twitter and printed it because I thought it was so beautiful, and it will just remind me of how Lagos is home and how, you know, I can always come back home. I want my friendship circle to be really tight this year, and I want to be good friends with people who hold my hand and who I can hold their hand, and we can assist each other and we can have fun adventures together. This year I also want to take my fitness journey very seriously, so I have actually 2 fitness pictures I want to put on here because I want to just remind myself that health is wealth and fitness is important. I want to really focus on my skincare this year. This is a picture of a plane, so that goes back to my traveling section. I want to eat a lot better this year. I want to actually cook a lot more this year. So this is a picture of a meal I made, and I realized that when I actually cook, I make healthy meals. This is a smoothie bowl I made as well. So just putting this on here is going to remind myself that I don't always have to go out and eat. I don't always have to buy food. I can actually make this stuff, and it tastes really good if I do say so myself. Oh, this is my favorite part of my vision board, guys. This says Jaye Orimi Unlimited. This basically just means chop the life of your head unlimited, which is basically a Yoruba expression for enjoy your life. Guys, this is just a long word that I printed out. This is just going to remind me to expand my vocabulary this year because there are lots of words in the English dictionary that I've never heard of in my life before. Guys, I want to save a lot more this year. This is just going to remind me to stop spending money and save. And this, guys, is my word for the year. It's positivity. You know, in all things you gotta stay positive. So that just says explore, glow. Guys, this year is a year of glow. I want to be a lot happier this year. I want to remember to play and have fun this year. This year I want to focus on the good. This year I want to earn more money. I need to remind myself to edit a lot more this year because, guys, I'm not lazy with filming, but I'm lazy with editing. This says confidence, so I'm going to remember to have a lot of confidence this year. I'm just gonna go ahead and stick all these on and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I just got done doing my vision board and this is what my vision board is looking like. I'm just quickly going to talk you through a few things on my vision board. I decided to do it like this with a bit of space in the middle. If I have some quotes here, say love yourself, glow, efficient, play, treat yourself, reboot, myself, so focus on yourself kind of thing. Jaye Orimi, if you know, you know. Confidence, earn. So yeah, those are just basically the quotes that mean a lot to me this year. And I have like gym, weight loss, fitness goals over here, like I told you guys. I have travel goals over here. I have like self-development study goals over here. I have, you know, friendship, skincare. I have YouTube goals over here. I have financial goals over here. And I have religious stuff over here. So that's basically the overview of my vision board. 2020 is going to be a great year. Let's get those visions going. This is actually a lot of goals for the year because, you know, some of them are like things that you can do like once, and some of them are things that you have to keep doing throughout the year. Yeah, I really do hope I achieve all my goals, or at least most of them. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for my vision board. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed making my vision board with me. I hope you guys have made yours too. If you have, definitely share them with me. tag me in your vision board pictures on Instagram so I can see your vision boards and we can all like share ideas and keep each other motivated. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a huge thumbs up, and if you're not already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button down below. Join the family because there's going to be lit videos coming for you this year. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.